I work for Boeing Sheffield. Started through the apprenticeship scheme. You learn the basics of machining if that's the route that you take. For engineering, where they do more of the problem solving side of it, help develop better processes, look into material, tooling, or you could go into quality, measuring the parts, making sure that they're all right, safe to go onto an aircraft. You've got plenty of different options. Doesn't have to just mean that you stay in one place if that's what your qualification's in. So the apprenticeship I went for was a machining-based apprenticeship, so we learned from very basic up to CNC level. So we did bench fitting, we did manual milling and turning, and then CNC milling and turning, which was a great way to get the basic knowledge, and then you can put it all together, and that's what you use on a day-to-day basis. The CNC machines are machines that run by programs that are created by an engineering team, and then you load the material up, you set your datums, making sure that all your tooling's set to the right size, and using a mixture of milling and turning on the machines that I run. We can machine two parts at the same time. It's a twin spindle, and you've got a lower turret and an upper turret, so you can have two things going off at the same time. The parts that we make come off as a lot higher of a standard than they would if we was using manual machines. So when we're machining, we get a lot of swarf, which is just excess metal that's been cut away from a billet. This goes into a swarf bin, which when it's full goes into a bigger bin, and then that goes off to recycling, and it can be repurposed. So nothing gets wasted. Any metal that's not used is sent away to be recycled.